So we were invited again this Christmas Day and we're so thankful for the chance to spend another special moment with friends. We went to Musher Park, hindi malayo at hindi rin hassle puntahan. Minsan di mo kailangan gumastos ng malaki para makapasyal. Ang importante sama-sama at masaya. Surrounded by nature, fresh air, and good company, we were reminded that the simplest plans often become the most meaningful memories. Thank you so much to the family of Junel. Wala pa kaming dalang food ha. Surprise lang talaga ang lakad na to, pero sobra ang saya talaga. This day was a beautiful reminder that joy doesn't come from how much you spend, but from the people we spend it with. Our hearts are full, grateful for invitation, for laughter, and for moments like this that we'll always treasure.
Oo nga, ayan. Ganda ng panahon. Gloomy. Pag-gloomy. Yes! Wow! What will you say?
Hindi na pala pwede. Kasi may oras lang siya magana. This time natutawin.
Oo nga. You open it like... Wow!
Nakakatulas ng ganito.
Hala!
Ganda.
You like it?
Ang dami. Ang dami niyang gift.
Wow! Ang cute! You like that? Nakikita lang niya yan sa ano. Meron na siya. Wala na. Okay, I need this toilet. Wow.
Chocolate.
White store. Sa pasta. Hello po. Si Ate Lia. Tapos eto yung ano, paligid.
Yung galing lumabas bro si Gisa. Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. And guys, now we are here at the Mushrek Park na kung saan
low-key budget.
This is ours. This is yours.
Yes, I do.
Parang dinovote ko yung time kong yun, mga 4 hours kahit nasa work ako. 4 or 3 hours. Nag-create ako ng costing. Sabi ko,
Uuwi na tayo.
Okay na yung dalawa lang kasi namin.